Yo, look who I'm with.
No, what's that the fuck you mean?
DC Young Fly.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your, what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
Tell us about you want Dancing with the Stars as well, right?
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
What did I do?
If Pitbull would be a pit suit.
How do they know which name goes first?
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Hey, showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be keeping saturated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.
You've been in over 150 movies.
Yeah.
Tell me about the
We're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what I'm talking about.
no Lethal Weapon in 1987.
Well, I'm not ladle. I don't cook. I don't know.
Because I live under. And,
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking about?
No. Because I live under the main system. And,
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
You did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right.
This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
Interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
Predicated on linguistics, language.